So, hey, Bill Space, I'm Krishna, a 14-year-old programmer and content creator from India. So, in this Bill Space season, I'm working on my YouTube channel where I post short but useful tech content. Let me show you a quick demo. Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be discussing about Perspective API by Jigsaw, which is an unit under Google, and I'm going to be telling you about this API as well as showing you how I used it in my open source project. So Perspective API uses machine learning to analyze and understand toxic comments, and you can take actions accordingly. It'll help you create bots for Discord or maybe create a healthier chat section for your website. Now let me show you how it works. If you scroll down the Perspective API website, you'll see this Try It Out section. So I cover interesting topics like this on my channel along with hands-on sessions such as here I talk about how I use this API in my actual project. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and recently I'm also starting podcasts, so you may watch them or you may comment down below if you want to be a part of the podcasts. See you soon and have a nice day.